Hi guys, this is to be an approach to Innsbruck using IAN, Integrated Approach Navigation. IAN may be used with the flight director, single autopilot, or flown with raw data. The procedure turn, initial approach and final approach are very similar to the ILS approach. For SMC based approaches, a proper series of legs waypoints describing the approach route, including an appropriate vertical path or glide path as we use in RNP, must appear on the legs page. A glide path angle displayed on the legs page means the vertical path complies with final approach and step down altitudes. A glide path angle suitable for IAN approach is one that approximates 3 degrees and will be seen shortly in the plates. The final approach using IAN, when on an intercept heading and cleared for the approach, select App Approach Mode, just as you would with an ILS. Before engagement of the approach mode, grey lateral and vertical deviation pointers, anticipation cues, are displayed, in addition to the deviation pointers for engage modes. These pointers show the pilot the direction of the final approach course and glide path relative to the airplane. As course and glide path capture occurs, these pointers will turn magenta. Ground proximity warning systems alerting are provided on IAN aircraft. During the IAN approach, the GPWS glide slope alerting provides alerting when the airplane deviates below the glide path before reaching the full-scale deflection. If you see the warning flag on the FMC, Unable Required Nav RNP, once this alert is seen, suitable visual reference has not been established, a missed approach must be executed. The final approach is very similar to the ILS final approach. However, IAN mode does not support dual autopilot coupled approaches, therefore the autopilot should be disengaged no lower than decision height. If the final approach course is offset from the runway, as it is at Innsbruck, centerline manoeuvring to align with the runway center is required. When suitable visual reference is established, the airplane should continue and follow the glide path angle, which is 3 degrees in our case, while manoeuvring to align with the runway, and hopefully you'll see this later in the film. If you keep the autopilot engaged below 100 feet radio altitude, the oral GPWS alert sounds and the autopilot engaged status will flash to remind us that the autopilot must be disengaged before landing. Okay, let's set up, have some fun, and hope you find it informative and entertaining. Thanks guys. Here we go.
Lima, Sierra, Zulu, Hotel, local ATIS information, Papa wind 220 at 8, visibility 10 kilometers or more, cloud 4,400, broken 5,000, temperature 2.5, QNH 1013, landing and departing, runway 28, advised delivery, you have information, Papa wind 220 at 8, visibility 10 kilometers or more, cloud 4,400, broken 5,000, temperature 2.5, QNH 1013. Departing runway 28, advised delivery, you have information.
Too low, terrain. Too low, gear. Too low, flaps. Wind shear. Too low, terrain. Caution, terrain.
Lima, Sierra, Zulu, Hotel, local ATIS information, Papa wind 220 at 8.
Lauda Air 491 cleared to Lima Oscar, West India via published departure procedures then as filed. Climb flight level 80, squawk 5164, departure frequency 127.75, NOTAM advisory. The pilot must assume responsibility for obstruction clearance when departing from this airport. Remain not less than 1,000 feet above or aside from terrain at all times. Remember to advise the control
clear to Lima, Oscar, Whiskey, India, via public department procedures. As filed, climb flight level 80, walk 5164, departure 127.75. We'll tell him when we're on port. Lauda Air 491.
I'm ready for the checklist.
Lauda Air 491, feedback correct.
Start procedure.
I'm showing a door light here. Looks like one of the doors is still open.
Welcome on board. As you locate your seats, please
Hello,
place
Captain. The passenger boarding is complete, and when you're ready, I have loads it for you.
to provide more room for larger items. If you need assistance
Hey Captain,
with it,
cabin is
please
ready to go.
contact one of our
If you need
flight
anything,
attendants.
just let me know.
If you are unable to accommodate any item in the cabin,
Ground from cockpit.
Go ahead.
We are ready for an external air engine start.
Your walk around is complete and all doors and hatches are closed. You're clear to start engine number 1.
Start sequences 1, then 2.
Check.
Start engine 1.
once again,
Starting
ladies and
number 1.
gentlemen, welcome on board. This is your purser speaking. Please direct your attention to the cabin crew for the safety information. First, there is an instruction card in your seat pocket that illustrates the safety equipment on board of this aircraft. Regulations require compliance with this information as well as all crew instructions.
519, delivery 422, departure 127,
Starter
7,
column
5.
Near the side.
Ground from cockpit.
Go ahead.
We disconnect the external air and GPU now.
Roger that.
Okay, external air and power removed.
Thank you.
Pipe has been inserted. Release parking
Ground,
brake.
Lauda Air 591 at Bravo 39, ready to push.
Lauda Air 591, clear to push. Starting your expression. Contact ground when you're ready. On 121.9er.
Ground on 121.9er, Lauda Air 591.
Start engine 2, cross speed start.
Starting number 2.
Ground dismiss. Work.
Ground, taxi holding point, runway 16, QNH 1013.
Runway 16 UNH 1013, Swiss 478.
Starter column.
Okay, push is complete. Set brakes.
Flaps 5.
Check.
Left is clear. Right is clear.
I'm ready for the checklist.
Ground, Swiss 573, request startup.
Swift
Generators
573,
on.
ground. Startup
Approach.
approved.
Anti-ice.
Off. Full takeoff checklist.
Flaps.
Flaps 5, green light.
Stabilizer trim.
4.9 units.
Before takeoff checklist complete.
8.
Lauda Air 591, ground taxi holding point, runway 28, QNH 10.
Captain, the cabin secure.
Lauda Air 591, contact tower 118.1.
Runway 28, line up and wait.
Runway 28, roger, Lauda Air 591. Cleared for takeoff, Lauda Air 591.
Takeoff.
Check. $80 knots.
Check.
V1. Rotate. Positive rate.
Gear up.
Gear up.
Set climb thrust. Select LNAV.
LNAV.
Select Command A.
Command A. Gear up, lights out.
Select VNAV.
VNAV.
Lauda Air 591, contact departure 127.75.
Over the departure, 127.75. Departure, Lauda Air 591 is with you, leaving 2,900 feet for flight level 90.
Lauda Air 591, departure, radar contact, climb flight level 150. Just let me know when you can proceed on course.
Climb flight level 150, Lauda Air 591.
I am ready for the checklist.
Alpha takeoff checklist.
Engine bleeds, on, packs, auto, landing gear, up and off, flaps, up, no lights. After takeoff checklist complete. Checklist 2992. How's the 2 going?
Lauda Air 591, we're back on course.
Lauda Air 591. 1, roger, thank you.
Switzerland control on 126.22. Switzerland control, Lauda Air 591, leaving flight level 1334, flight level 150.
Lauda Air 591, Switzerland control, roger, climb flight level 200.
Climb flight level 200, Lauda Air 591.
Set.
May not let 1,000 feet above your side.
Descend 150, Lauda Air 591.
Set flight level 150. Select altitude interval.
Flight level 150, set. Altitude interval set.
Switzerland control, Lauda Air 591 needs to leave the frequency to get weather.
Lauda Air 591, report back up for the performance.
Lima Oscar Whiskey India, local ATIS information. Back winds 225 at 8, visibility 10 kilometers or more. Clouds broken to 5,000, temperature 15 dew point 5 QNH 1013, landing and departing. Runway 26, advise approach, you have information. Back.
Switzerland control, Lauda Air 591 backup.
Lauda Air 591, recognize.
Set 109 for 70 and 96.
Set.
Set 111.10 and down 1.
Set.
Approach on 119.27. Approach, Lauda Air 591 is with you at flight level 150 with Quebec request runway 26.
Lauda Air 591, approach, expect vectors to the runway 26.
Runway 26, Lauda Air 591.
Lauda Air 591, when able, fly heading 135, descend to altitude 11,000 feet, QNH 1013.
Descend to altitude 1,000 feet, QNH 1013, heading 135, Lauda Air 591. Approach, Lauda Air 591, request the full GPS, runway 26, approach.
Lauda Air 591, when able, maintain 1,000 feet until the ignition cleared. The full GPS, runway 26, approach, QNH 1013.
Roger, 1,000 feet until established, cleared the full GPS, runway 26, approach, Lauda Air 591.
Select altitude interval.
Altitude interval set.
Departure Papa 4352 is with you, leaving 6,600 feet.
Course on my side, 259.
Course 259 set.
Departure, Oscar Echo Papa Juliet Papa is with you, 6,600 feet, or flight level 150.
Oscar
Takeoff Papa Juliet Papa.
Okay, we will be arriving by ATC vectors. We can expect an RNAV approach. Landing runway condition is dry. Anti-ice is not required. Landing flap will be 30. Auto brake we will use level 3. Engine bleeds will be on. Position HUD will be 200 feet. Any questions?
No questions.
Approach brief complete.
Pressurization. Landing altitude 1850 feet. Recoil. Checked. Auto brake. Level 3.
Oscar Echo Papa
Landing data.
Juliet Papa contact tower 120.3
minimums. 0 feet. Approach briefing completed. Descent checklist complete. Altitude 9,500 set. Altitude intervene set. $10,000. Cabin crew, prepare
Departure,
for
Oscar Echo Papa Juliet Papa is with you, leaving 6,600 feet for flight level 150. Oscar Echo Papa Juliet Papa, radar contact, climb flight level 150, flight heading 065, climb flight
Ladies and gentlemen, from the cockpit again, this is your captain. I hope you have enjoyed your flight so far. We will be starting our descent toward our destination in just a few moments. So please return to your seats and fasten your seat belts in preparation for landing. Thank you.
Please be careful when you open the door and bin as items may have shifted. Please store the tray table, return the seat to the conversation, and check the security using. We will be landing shortly. Thank you for your cooperation.
glide slope alive.
Glide slope.
Check.
Glide path.
Check.
Approach.
Approach. Yes. Okay, thanks. Captain, the cabin secure.
Anytime.
Oscar Echo Papa Juliet Papa contact tower 120.1.
Tower 120.1 Oscar Echo Papa Juliet Papa.
Oscar Echo Papa Juliet Papa contact wind control 120.65.
Beam control 120.65 Oscar Echo Papa Juliet Papa.
Radio altimeter.
Check. Localizer alive.
Lauda Air 231 contact tower 120.1.
Tower on 120.1.
Autopilot off. 1000 to go.
Tower Lauda Air 2316. Mile final runway 26.
Cabin crew, take your
Lauda
seats.
Air 231 tower runway 26 wind 220 at 8.
Flaps 10.
Roger Lauda Air 231.
We're still above the flaps.
Lauda Air 231 runway 26
set.
Clear to land Lauda Air 231.
Speed 135 set.
We're still above the flaps.
Localize deviation.
We're still above the flaps.
Auto throttle off. Engine start switches. Speed brake. Landing gear. Standing by for the flaps. Flaps 30. feet. Check. Flaps 30. Green light. Landing check is complete.
300. 200.
Check.
Sync rate.
Localize deviation.
50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Speed brakes up. Reverse green.
Lauda Air 231, turn off at the next high speed and hold.
Contact ground 120.1 when runway is clear.
Ground on 120.1.
Okay to clean up.
Check.
Ground Oscar Echo Papa Juliet Papa request taxi.
Oscar, Echo, Papa, Juliet, Papa, ground, taxi holding point, runway 26, QNH 1013.
Runway 26, QNH 1013. Oscar Echo Papa Juliet
This will be your
Papa.
indication it's safe to move around the cabin. Gather your belongings and we will like to thank you for flying with us today and we appreciate your visit. We will hope to see you again on a future flight. Thank you and good night.
Taxi to the ramp.
APUs on.
Taxi to ramp right to Lauda and 231.
Austrian 673, when command request startup.
Austrian 673, ground, startup approved.
Ground, Austrian 673, request taxi.
Austrian 673, ground, taxi holding point, runway 3.
Runway 26, QNH 1013, Austrian 673.